The Mac Studio receives its anticipated spring upgrade, bringing stronger performance improvements this year. Leaks confirm new M5 Max and M5 Ultra powering the refreshed machine. Developers discovered references inside macOS 16.3 revealing upcoming hardware changes for Mac Studio. Listings clearly mention support for M5 Max and M5 Ultra processors. Last year's Mac Studio lineup confused buyers with uneven performance differences. M4 Max unexpectedly outperformed the pricey M3 Ultra in several single-core benchmark tests. Multi-core results showed M4 Max staying surprisingly close to the expensive M3 Ultra. This gap led many users to believe Apple skipped an expected M4 Ultra. Apple now prepares a cleaner lineup, introducing stronger M5 Max and M5 Ultra models. These upgrades restore proper performance scaling for professional Mac Studio workflows. Estimated single-core performance places M5 Max slightly above the standard M5. The M5 Ultra matches closely because it combines two identical M5 Max units. Projected single-core scores near 4,133 surpass previous Apple Silicon generations. Architecture refinements strengthen performance for demanding creative tasks and professional workloads. Multi-core advancements are significant, with M5 Ultra potentially reaching 45,000. This represents over 50% improvement compared to the earlier M3 Ultra model. Even the binned M5 Ultra version may score around 40,000 multi-core points. Its output nearly doubles performance previously delivered by the older M2 Ultra. M5 Max delivers major GPU gains, reaching nearly triple the original M1 Max performance. Metal benchmark estimates approach 256,000 overall graphics capability. GPU gains continue with significant improvements seen across multiple workloads. The M5 Max shows impressive graphics strength, ideal for editing and rendering. Comparing older generations highlight dramatic GPU jumps. M1 Max to M5 Max shows massive growth, supporting far more demanding creative production tasks. The M5 Max unbinned variant reaches powerful metal benchmark numbers. Its estimated 256,000 score strengthens graphics capabilities significantly. Ultra-level graphics results show even more dramatic improvement. The M5 Ultra unbinned reaches about 415,000 on estimated GPU metal scoring. Even the reduced-core M5 Ultra variant maintains strong GPU performance. Its 375,000 estimate demonstrates continued efficiency under demanding workloads. A sponsored ergonomic chair review highlights comfort importance during long sessions. The Distronic Citro chair assembles easily while offering strong lumbar support. Its adjustable features help maintain posture throughout extended creative work. The chair's design suits editing, gaming, and general productivity tasks comfortably. Returning to the Mac Studio, design changes remain unlikely. Apple continues using the same compact form last seen across 3 previous generations. Thunderbolt 5 ports appear again on the rear for maximum connectivity. Front ports vary depending on choosing either M5 Max or M5 Ultra. The Max model offers USB 3 ports on the front. Choosing the Ultra configuration upgrades those front ports to Thunderbolt for faster transfer speeds. All configurations still include 4 Thunderbolt 5 ports on the back. This ensures consistent high-speed connectivity across every Mac Studio model. The overall exterior remains unchanged for this generation. Apple's compact design continues providing strong airflow and a stable footprint on desks. Apple typically updates designs after several cycles pass. This current enclosure likely continues another generation before receiving any larger structural upgrade. Pricing is expected to stay consistent with previous releases. Apple mentioned memory costs remain stable, reducing the chance of immediate price increases. Mac Studio should again start at $2,000. This base version includes the M5 Max chip with standard memory configurations. The M5 Ultra configuration begins at $4,000. It provides 96 gigabytes of unified memory along with 1 terabyte storage. Higher tiers increase costs quickly depending on chosen upgrades. More memory, larger storage, or unbinned M5 Ultra significantly raises overall pricing. Despite rising options, performance offered by these new chips remains impressive. Both M5 Max and M5 Ultra promise meaningful generational improvements across workloads. Apple plans releasing the updated Mac Studio during springtime. If schedules shift slightly, an early summer launch remains the alternative timeframe. Many users eagerly anticipate these new models. Strong CPU and GPU advancements make this upgrade appealing for professional creators and technical workflows. These performance jumps reshape expectations for compact desktops. Mac Studio continues proving small machines can still deliver exceptional professional-grade computational power. Creative professionals benefit most from these improvements. Editing, rendering, and workflow-heavy tasks see consistent gains thanks to strong CPU and GPU advancements. Developers also appreciate enhanced processing speeds. Compiling, simulation, and code-heavy workloads run far more efficiently on these newly optimized chip architectures. Apple's silicon strategy continues demonstrating predictable growth. Each generation builds carefully on previous architecture while increasing performance without drastically raising power consumption. Thermal efficiency likely remains similar this generation. Existing Mac Studio designs already manage heat well, even under demanding heavy multi-core processing workloads. Apple's unified memory remains a strong advantage. High bandwidth and low latency help maintain consistent performance across creative, scientific, and multitasking environments. Storage options continue providing fast transfer speeds. Internal SSD performance remains extremely high, supporting quick project loading and responsive application behavior. The new chips also improve long-duration workload stability. Sustained performance helps artists, editors, and researchers complete projects without thermal throttling interruptions. These updates keep Mac Studio competitive in the workstation market. Its compact size paired with impressive power continues attracting professionals requiring reliable performance. Users considering upgrades this year have strong reasons to wait. The upcoming M5 Max and M5 Ultra models promise meaningful improvements worth choosing. The release window seems firmly targeted for spring. If schedules shift slightly, early summer remains Apple's backup timeframe for launching updates. Expect demand to rise quickly once pre-orders open. Professionals relying on consistent performance often upgrade immediately when major silicon improvements appear. Apple's marketing will likely emphasize substantial performance gains. Both CPU and GPU advancements provide strong selling points for this next-generation Mac Studio release. Developers tracking macOS beta codes expect further confirmations. More references may appear as Apple finalizes software support for the upcoming hardware. Benchmark databases might reveal early results soon. Test units often appear shortly before official announcements, giving glimpses into real performance capabilities. Current Mac Studio owners may consider reselling soon. Upgrading during launch ensures users maximize value before older configurations lose market appeal. Apple aims to maintain consistent pricing despite hardware improvements. Stable memory costs help keep configurations similar to previous generations without sudden jumps. Workflows involving heavy GPU usage benefit considerably. Rendering, 3D animation, and visual effects tasks enjoy smoother performance with next-generation chip enhancements. CPU-driven tasks improve sharply with new architecture. Simulation, compilation, and scientific workloads complete faster thanks to increased multi-core strength. Overall, expectations for Mac Studio remain very positive. Stronger computing power ensures the system stays competitive among high-end compact desktops. Professional users anticipate smoother workflows with upcoming hardware. Multitasking, editing, and rendering performance benefit from increased cores and GPU improvements in the M5 Max and Ultra models. Benchmarks indicate substantial growth over previous generations. M1, M2, M3 Ultra, and now M5 Ultra display steady performance improvements over time. Even smaller upgrades affect productivity meaningfully. Memory bandwidth, storage speed, and thermal efficiency all contribute to noticeable gains in professional workloads. Apple's modular approach ensures scaling is predictable. Users choosing M5 Max or Ultra can expect proportional improvements without surprises. Pricing remains competitive relative to performance delivered. M5 Max starts at $2,000, while M5 Ultra begins at $4,000. Customization options allow higher memory and storage configurations. Unbinned M5 Ultra units provide maximum performance but increase overall system cost significantly. Connectivity continues with Thunderbolt 5 across all configurations. Front ports vary by chip choice, but rear Thunderbolt ports remain standard for high-speed workflows. Design changes are minimal this generation. The Mac Studio's compact form remains highly practical while maintaining strong airflow and desk presence. Launch excitement builds as spring approaches. Professionals and enthusiasts alike plan to upgrade when M5 Max and Ultra models officially release. With M5 Max and Ultra, Mac Studio remains a top choice. Generational CPU and GPU improvements promise long-term productivity benefits.